Why am I getting a weird split surface on part of my floor when I split it into parts? The important thing to note here is that when you are looking at the properties with nothing selected, there is an area called parts visibility. And you can see here, it's showing as show both. So when you split a floor into its parts, you can pick to either show the parts, as you can see here. You can show the original, right? This is the original floor. Or you can show both. When you show both, because there's two separate materials here, because I have gone in and changed the material of this second piece of the flooring, you're going to get this split because it's basically two different surfaces in the same place.